Catching honeybees with a pill bottle. Saw a guy on YouTube who did this, and he drilled holes in the bottle, put a cotton ball in there with some Swarm Commander or lemongrass oil, and tracks the bees to this. Easy to get to, and we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna place several out through the house over at the farm and see if we can catch some. It's swarm season, y'all. So today we just caught our first swarm of 2025. We didn't expect it to be this soon. We thought we had a couple of weeks left, but apparently it's swarm season. So now we're gonna go bait these traps we set up. So this is trap number 8. And what I'm gonna do is spray a little bit of this Swarm Commander on a Q-tip and toss it in that hive right there. I mean that swarm trap.
Okay.
You ready? We got some Swarm Commander here. Gonna spray it real good. And stick it in this bottle. And then we're gonna wrap a rope around it.
Is there holes poked in it?
Yep. Got holes drilled in it so they can smell it. And we're gonna pick a tree. How about right that little break? How about right over here? What do you think?
Yeah.
Recording?
Yeah.
We're gonna put this trap right here. See what happens.
I'm gonna go. 7.
Drop it in the back. This trout was hung yesterday, I believe, and it's already got scalp bees. That's an ant, but you can see the scalp bees. We're gonna have a swarm in this box before long. Had an idea. I'm doing a little bee fishing. I got a piece of PEX pipe, screwed it to this post, and I got the pill bottle hanging from it. So we should be able to see these really easy from the house, see if a swarm gets on it, and easily catch them. So let's see what happens.